कांपालार जाल्ल्या दुसऱ्या राष्ट्रीय कराटे डो चॅम्पियनशिपीत गोंयान पयली सुवात जोडल्या. फक्त बेस्ट कराटे टिमूच न्हय, कितलीशींच मेडलां गोंयच्या पंगडान जोडल्यात. पुराय चॅम्पियनशिपीत गोंयान 39 भांगरां, 37 रुपया आनी 55 कांशा मेळून 131 पदकां जोडलीं. सर्तींत वट्ट 275 पदकां आशिल्लीं. शोटोकन कराटे डो गोवान कांपालाचेर इंडोर हॉलार ही राष्ट्रीय सर्त घेतिल्ली. गोंयच्या बायलां क्रिकेट पंगडाची कोच आनी आदले आंतरराष्ट्रीय क्रिकेटर पूर्णिमा राव पंगडाच्या कामगिरीचेर सातिस्वेत आसा. ह्या सिजनात सुरवातीक गोंयच्या पंगडान कांय मॅची खाल्यो, मात ते उपरांत कर्नाटक आनी दिल्ली सारकेल्या खडेगाठ पंगडाक मारीत सावन गोंयचो पंगड नेटार आसा. ह्या वर्सा पंगड बरो खेळ करतलो म्हणून पूर्णिमा आस्त बाळगून आसा. गोंयच्या गिमांतले प्रशिक्षण शिबीर सोंपोवन पूर्णिमा ताच्या गांवांत वचपाक भायर सरले.
Your thesis on this season that's gone by?
I think it's for the first time that Goa has ever qualified, and we made history by, being the second best team in the South Zone. And in the T20s also we created a lot of upsets, beating Hyderabad and Karnataka, which has never happened before. And my under-19 and under-16 too, I think they showed a lot of improvement. It's been a very, very satisfying season for me. And now being the conclusion of the summer camp, I think because of the rains in Goa, if I'm able to get an indoor stadium, I will continue with, practice. But I'm really looking forward to the next season, because the kind of improvement and the response I've got from the Goan girls, I think very heartwarming and overwhelming.
A couple of invitationals that you all went for, I think it was in Chennai. Performance was not very good. A string of losses over there. Has the season been that overall very good, or there have been some upsets where you have felt that Goa hasn't progressed, or the Goan girls haven't managed to take it to the next level after winning maybe one or two matches in their group stage?
I think last September when we actually went for an invitation tournament, they looked out of sorts. But to top it off, when we went to Delhi this time, we beat Delhi and Bangalore, which had about 4 India players in each. So that was the kind of improvement I had over the season. And I realized that a little more technical, development for them, and a lot of, catching I have to work on, a lot of running in between. So there are a lot of areas where I have to deal with, and hopefully by this season I'll be sorting that out.
Any communication from the GCA whether you'll be with the Goa girls next year as well?
Yes. I think they also believe in me. They have seen my work. They have seen the performance and results, and definitely I think that should be the order of the day, but I'm here to help. I'm here to pass on my experience, and I think that will be done. I have no doubts on that issue. They have confirmed.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान खबरां चित्रां हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.